Hey tubers, 2013 Honda Pilot, no start. Smoking a lot from the pipe, so I went immediately for the gas for the fuel line, and it's spewing mixture of gas and diesel, and it doesn't even smell like gas. So it happened after they gassed it up, right? So now here's the job. We need to drain 3/4 of a tank from the tank, okay? The easiest way is to hook a hose here, put it to a can, and then turn on the fuel pump with the scanner and let it drain. It will take probably an hour to drain that much fuel, 3/4, but it will drain it. Otherwise, you have to drop the tank, all right? Subscribe and tell your friend.